What is a content creator? A digital content creator is a person who creates content in the form of videos, images, articles, podcasts, or other digital media. They make this material to be shared and consumed online by viewers or visitors. Content creators typically specialize in a particular field or niche and can work independently or with organizations. Content creator job descriptions usually include the following: researching topics, planning content, writing scripts or stories, editing audio and video files, recording narration, publishing across various platforms. Content creators can work in multiple industries, such as media, entertainment, marketing and advertising, education, healthcare, and others. Digital platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat are popular outlets for content creators to share their work. Content creators can also generate revenue through ads, sponsorships, and other forms of monetization.